Afternoon, everybody. This is Lane with Northwest Bus Sales. Going to give you a video tour of a 2001 Bluebird All-American. This is a local bus to the state of Washington, Western Washington. So I don't have accurate mileage on this bus as far as the odometer. The odometer is not currently reading, but the hub meter, and I'll show you this, shows 206,000 miles. We did get a batch of these from this district, and they were all about that mileage, so in the low 200s is pretty accurate. So I checked this bus out. It looks pretty good overall. There's not a whole lot of bad to show you on this. Wanted to start with this. So all of our local districts have to have their buses inspected. I think Jack's probably mentioned that, maybe Eric or Mike. But they have to be mechanically inspected on an annual basis, and that is the sticker giving it a clean bill of health. So probably the only kind of negative of this bus is entryway doesn't look great, but that can be touched up. Some new rubber if somebody needed. But for starters, got that Bostrom air seat. That's pretty nice. If you've ever driven a bus for hours with non-air ride, that's not exactly fun. You can see somebody patch that up. If that is a concern of yours, we work with a really good upholstery shop down the street. So get this thing started up here. It starts up good. So I like these old push-pull style kind of old school switches. So you got your dome lights, strobe light, some heater and vent switches. There's your rear heaters, entry door. There's your windshield wiper switch. So that both of those are working. So let's get that high idle turned on. Hopefully that comes up once the... So yeah, unfortunately these gauges aren't working right now. Sorry, as far as the odometer and whatnot. So this one has cruise. I don't know if it's working. I have to check the drive report on that. Got our Allison automatic there. I don't recall which one that is. That'll be on the web listing. But this is powered by the Cummins ISC. I believe that's a 260 horse in this case. Interior height, they'd probably call that about 6'2". There's a fuel tank access plate, pretty handy. Got a side door. So for those of you that are converting, that might be of interest. You got maybe a bedroom door back here. Roof hatch. There's two roof hatches on this bus. That rear window, that'll hinge at the top, so if you want fresh air, just flip that up, prop that window up. Black rubber floor, ribbed aisleway, standard stuff there. Detail crew did a good job. This bus looks pretty good. Information, looks like this has got 538 gears. So there's your transmission number. If you Google transmission serial number, look up, Allison's got a cool tool for that. So this bus has got excellent tires front and rear. Got a Bridgestone up front. I'd probably call that 70% remaining. Let's have a look at that. Oh, here we go. 100-gallon fuel capacity. Little storage box they had snow chains in here, which is kind of silly because it doesn't snow much around here. These rear tires are in really good shape. These are retreads. You'll be able to see But boy, they got a lot of tread. Bus is straight overall. There is one minor crease on the other side. I should have showed that to you. But it's definitely nothing alarming. I want to thank you for your time watching the video. Give us a call, 1-800-231-7099, or feel free to email us, sales, S-A-L-E-S, @nwbus.com. Thank you. Have a great day.